Welcome to this tutorial on the unique function in Excel. In this video, you will learn how to use the unique function to extract a list of distinct values from a range or array. The unique function provides a modern alternative to the Remove Duplicates button, allowing you to easily get a list of distinct values instantly. The unique function returns a list of unique values from a specified range or array. One key aspect of this function is that it is dynamic. This means that it automatically updates whenever the source data changes. Furthermore, the unique function is flexible and can be used with rows, columns, or arrays, giving you a versatile tool for data analysis. Let's take a look at the syntax of the unique function. The formula is as follows: equals unique, open parenthesis, array, comma, by column, in square brackets, comma, exactly once, in square brackets, close parenthesis. The array parameter is the range or array from which you want to return unique values. The by column parameter, which is optional, takes a value of true to compare columns or false to compare rows. The exactly once parameter is also optional. Let's walk through a basic example of the unique function. Here we have a list of fruits in column A, which includes apple, banana, orange, banana, and grape. By using the formula equals unique, open parenthesis, A1 colon A6, close parenthesis, we can extract the unique values from this range. The result is a new list in column B that contains apple, banana, orange, and grape. Now let's explore how to use the unique function with multiple columns. In this example, we have a table with the column's name and department. The data includes entries like John in sales, Mary in HR, John in sales again, and Tom in IT. By applying the formula equals unique, open parenthesis, A1 colon B5, close parenthesis, we can extract the unique combinations of names and departments. The result is a table with John in sales, Mary in HR, and Tom in IT. Now we'll compare the unique function with the Remove Duplicates feature. The unique function is dynamic and auto-updating, formula-based, preserves original data, and works with arrays. On the other hand, the Remove Duplicates feature is a static operation, requires a manual button click, modifies the original data, and is a one-time action. Here are a couple of essential tips for using the unique function effectively. First, use table references or dynamic ranges to ensure that your unique function automatically expands as your data grows. For example, you can use the formula equals unique, open parenthesis, table 1, open square bracket, product, close square bracket, close parenthesis. Second, remember that unique returns an array that spills into adjacent cells automatically. In summary, the unique function allows you to transform your data analysis with dynamic, automatic duplicate removal. It offers several key benefits, including being fast and efficient, auto-updating, and providing a modern solution for extracting unique values. So start using Unique today to streamline your data analysis process. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.